Christmas morning for Zachary, almost 2. Zachary. Merry Christmas, baby boy. Yay! Come on down. Come on. What is that? What is that?
I think Santa might have left this for you.
Wow. Whoa.
Where'd Zachary go?
Where's Zachary? Whoa!
There he is! Yay!
Yay!
Whoa!
Whoa.
Who's that from?
Mommy and Daddy. Here, open up.
Here, I'll hold your milk.
Go ahead. Get it. Oh, you can see look at the bows. Open it up. Here. What'd you get? Oh, what's in there? Open up.
I think this one is from Aunt Anne and Uncle Jeff and Autumn. How do you better finish opening up this one?
Here, look. Is this Thomas?
Zachary, look! Zachary, look! Choo-choo!
Thomas! You don't know.
He doesn't know.
Whoa!
What's that? What is
What's
this?
that?
This is from Aunt Anne.
It's Thomas!
Trains! What trains say?
It's Thomas!
Come here. Finish opening up this one. Whoop! Turn it over. See what it is. Oh boy!
Oh.
You can play doctor. How cool!
You want a big one? Or you want another little one? How about another little one? Another one?
What is that?
Thomas?
What is that?
Oh! It's Thomas! He says thank you. Oh my! We get a big one.
What is that,
Sit
Zachary?
here. Grab the bow.
The bow's taped
in
on.
it? Get it! Thank you. Open it up, Zachary. He's decorating it.
Oh, are you decorating it?
Here you go.
Oh, it looks so much prettier now, Zachary.
Oh my.
There's one more.
Okay, you open?
Jay's helping with it.
Over here. Oh! What is it? Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh boy, Tut.
Pull this down. Oh! It's a fire truck! Whoa! You're eating grin on his face.
Yay! What do you think?
Say thank you? Here you go. Yay! Merry Christmas, that's it. This
Give Dad a hug.
a hug? How about Mommy? Merry Christmas, Mommy!
Zachary, what do you say when people give you something? You're welcome.
You want to play with your truck? We don't play
Zachary.
with first, like all these toys you got.
Zachary's decorating his gifts again.
Here you go.
Good job, buddy. Zachary, can you blow me a kiss? Oh, so pretty.
Looks nice. He's like gripping.
Zachary, can you blow me a kiss?
He's enjoying himself. Get out of here.
Say Merry Christmas, Dutchie.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, handsome boy. Can you give me a kiss?
Give Mommy a kiss. Give Mommy a kiss.
He's too busy with the bows.
He's excited. Give Mommy a kiss. I'm done! Yay! Give Mommy a kiss.
Can I have a kiss?
Give Mommy a kissy.
Can you go like this? Go. Mwah. Can you say thank you?
Thank you. You want to play with this?
Okay.
Your daddy car truck. Woo, 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 woo. Tonka, you beat the hell out of that thing. Yeah. Here you go. Ready? Put out the fire. Ready? One. Watch out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look. Okay, go ahead. Push. You can put this down. Push it. He likes to let it off.